We can always judge the faulty reason from the red and green light. There will be two situations. The first situation is both of the red and green light are off. In this situation, we need to use our multimeter to make a test. First of all, we will turn the multimeter to the beeper position. Then use the red pen and the black pen to test it. If the multimeter reads number is normal, it will show 0. If it is not, if it is faulty, then it will show 1 or larger. Okay, suppose the fuse is faulty, then continue. We will detect the MOSFET. You must be careful. We use the red pen to put the red pen in the position of S.